Welcome to today's tutorial on converting text to numbers in Excel. In this video, we will explore two handy methods to solve this common issue. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The Excel file that is exported from some software sometimes contains numbers in text format. The alignment of a number can be used as a quick indicator of whether it is stored as text, as can be seen in columns C and D. Text fields are typically aligned to the left side of the cell. The fields in columns F and G, on the other hand, are aligned to the right, indicating that they are in number format, as can be seen by looking at those columns. As a result, if you experience a problem in columns E or I, where some number fields are properly aligned to the right, but others are aligned to the left, it means Excel mistook the numbers for text and stored them there. Imagine the number 14 is displayed in cell E10 as an example. Some numbers, such as 14, can be formatted as numbers and aligned to the right by selecting the Everything in of column E and switching the format to General. Or column I, where I will demonstrate two methods, the process can be repeated. A few numbers may still be aligned to the left though, but why is that the case? The apostrophe prefix in cell E9 indicates that the value is stored as text and can be seen by looking at the cell. Additionally, if you click on the yellow exclamation mark, the terms number stored as text will appear. Choose the Convert to Number option to quickly solve the issue. This approach might not be effective for all cells though. I'll instead show two shortcuts for solving this problem. First, enter 1 in a rightmost blank cell. Then copy this cell and select all of column E's cells. Select Paste Special and multiply. After right-clicking and selecting Paste Special, click OK. And you will see that all cells have been converted to the number format and aligned to the right. This method is a more efficient way of solving the problem. Let's explore the second method. Simply choose the I column, then select the Data tab from the menu bar. Select Delimited under Text to Columns, then click Finish instantly. It's that easy. Now that you know how to convert text to numbers in Excel, you can choose the method that works best for you to solve this issue. And that's about it. Two efficient methods for converting text to numbers in Excel have been explained. You now have the tools to solve this problem without any difficulty. We appreciate your time and hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.